What's up, T-Fit fam? Back at it again with another workout for you guys. This is workout number 2 for the beginner program. When we start out, we're actually going to do the same warm-up that you did in the first workout. So if you haven't seen the first workout, go ahead and go back to know what you need to do for the warm-up. I'm not going to waste any time today. We're going to get right to it. The first exercise is sit to stand. I remember when I first started training in the gym, I had a lot of older clients that said, "Oh, I can't squat, I have bad knees or bad hips." And I would always ask them, "Well, do you sit down in a chair?" Because that is a squat. The main difference between when you sit down regularly and when we're going to perform the sit down as an exercise is we're just going to control the way down. We're going to go 4 seconds on the way down. That way you're utilizing all the muscles you need to perform this exercise. So we're going to go 3 sets, 15 to 30 reps, depending on what you can do. And again, really controlled on the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest is nice and high. And then from there, you'll just stand back up. Super simple, but very, very effective. Phenomenal exercise. If you need to, you can add resistance by putting a bag on your back or holding a bag in front of you. Our second exercise is for core and overall stability. It is called the bird dog. For this, I want you to focus on having a straight line from your head to your butt. And then when you reach, you're going to reach contralaterally. That just means opposite arm, opposite leg. So say left arm will reach, right leg will reach, trying to create a straight line. We're going to hold this for 5 seconds. Come back down. Bring the knee to the elbow. You don't have to touch. You're just trying to kind of reach for it. Just have a little bit of a core contraction. And then you're going to reach again. Hold 5 seconds. For the bird dog, you're going to do 5 reps of the 5-second hold and then switch sides. We're going 3 sets each. For those of you that watched the first workout, we've upgraded from 2 sets per exercise to 3 sets per exercise for the second day. For our third exercise, we are sticking with the core. We're going to do a knee plank. So when you go to get into this position, I really want you to focus on crunching. Your knees will go back. We're not just going flat and holding, we're actually trying to crunch and hold. For the knee planks, we're going to go 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Our fourth exercise today is a floor press. I'm a demo with a ball. Most people will probably have a ball in their house. If you don't have a ball, you can use a bag. The focus here is squeezing your hands together as hard as you can to really create tension. It's not as much about the weight as it is the tension. So we're taking the ball, squeezing hard, pressing, nice and controlled on the way up and the way down. The harder you squeeze, the harder the exercise. For the floor press, we're going 3 sets, 15 to 30 reps. For the fifth exercise, we'll be performing a single arm high row. This can be pretty difficult for people, mainly because we're so dominant in our upper traps and we're very weak in our mid to lower traps and rhomboids. The focus here is to try to squeeze the shoulder back. A typical low row, you'll keep the elbow tucked and you'll pull the shoulder back. We're going to go high row today. So again, when you row high, you're not trying to elevate that shoulder. So you may need a partner to help watch. If not, it's all going to be based off of feel. You really want to focus on elbow coming up and wide, and then again, trying to take your shoulder blade and bring it across your body. Squeeze, and then back down. 4 seconds on the way down. 3 sets, 15 to 30 reps each side. Our next exercise is called a seated Arnold press. I really enjoy this one for the full range of motion. So you'll start with your palm facing you at the bottom, turn your palm forward at the top. So palm facing you, rotate, come out, palm forward. If you can, try to lock out. A lot of people make the mistake of coming up over their head. Not a good position. Stay out to the side a little bit. 4 seconds on the way down. We're going 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, because a rice bag might be pretty heavy. So many people in America, in Reading, clients that I've had, have that lower back pain or some type of spinal issue. A really great way to strengthen your lower back is going to be back extensions just with your body weight. So super simple, but super effective. When you go to bend over, we're gonna do what I normally tell people not to do, which is go bad posture, right? So we'll bend over, bad posture, really lengthen your spine, lengthen your erectors, and then we're gonna bring our hands from our ankles up to our knees while straightening our back. Ooh, super tight, super squeeze those shoulders down and back, and then go back down, round. So we're lengthening here, and then contracting here. 3 sets of 15 reps will really get that back fired up for you guys. If you can't bend over all the way to your ankles, just go down to whatever you could go down to, and then really focus on holding a nice position, nice straight position at the top. Our last exercise, we're still going to be focusing on that posterior chain, meaning the whole back side, so the back, the glutes, the hamstrings, with Romanian deadlifts. That sit to stand and Romanian deadlifts are 2 of the best movements that you could be doing to stay moving and keeping everything active. For these Romanians, we'll be using a bag again. Adjust the weight accordingly. I do want this to be difficult, so put a good amount of weight in your bag. This, we're not rounding our back. We're actually keeping the back straight. You'll slide down to about mid-shin, nice straight back, and then come back up. A lot of people like to keep their neck high. It's extra stress on the neck. You don't have to look forward. You can look down, keep your neck nice and neutral in a straight line with your back. 3 sets, 15 to 30 reps, and guess what? You guys are done for the day. If you enjoy this video, if you find this video valuable, please subscribe and share this video with friends. And until next time, the future is today.